this video will teach you how to set up your first electric scooter. What you'll be able to find in the box is a white small box that contains the charger, and you will be able to find a toolkit that consists of Allen key and spanner. For the sake of this video, I have a real spanner, but this is not included in the box. You'll find a front wheel, be it whether it is a PU or an inflatable front wheel, the main unit itself. For those people who have ordered the electric scooter with seats, on top of that you'll be able to find the saddle, two metallic rods, and a holder. Let's get started. This is a close-up of the front wheel. I will show you an anatomy of the front wheel so that it's easier for me to demonstrate how to fix it to the scooter at a later part. First of all, unscrew the nut. You'll be able to find a ring, and when you take out the screw, there's another ring. If you take a closer look, there is a bearing through the axle. So if the bearing is not aligned, the screw cannot go through. So later, when we are fixing the front wheel to the scooter, you need to make sure that the bearing is aligned. Alright, fixing the front wheel to the metallic holder. Sandwich the wheel in between the metallic holder and use one of the rings to put it in between. So the trick here is that you can always use the Allen key to help you out. So now the ring, the wheel and the metallic holder is not aligned. Just use the Allen key to go through from the other side. And now the Allen key went through, that's why it's aligned. Since it went through, now you use the screw of the wheel and insert it in such a way whereby, yeah, this is just half done. And now the other ring. Okay, you have to insert the other ring on this side. So alignment is very important. Okay, so as you can see, the line and the screw went through. Okay, remember, in between the wheel there is a bearing. So just now I've used an Allen key to help me with the alignment. Now the screw went through. To tighten it, tighten on this side of the nut, like this. Now with the help of a spanner, if you have bought the scooter with seats, it will come with a saddle. And just to take note, there are two nuts at the side of the saddle, and we are going to tighten this later. On top of that, you can find two metallic rods. Let's talk about this. This metallic rod has a narrower diameter, and this is supposed to be inserted into the saddle like this. In order to secure the rod to the saddle, you have to tighten the nut. Please ensure that the nuts are really tightened, because you want the seat to be stable, and hence you have to make sure it's very secure. For the sake of this video, I will just tighten until it is good enough, but please ensure that the nuts are really tightened up. Now, the metallic rod is secured to the saddle. For the other rod, you can see there is a slit that is cut here. And this is the part whereby we will insert the holder. So just insert like this. Okay, after you insert, it will look something like this. And this is where you can insert the first rod to the second rod. And you can adjust the height of your seat manually. So once you have decided this is the ideal height, you just need to tighten the two nuts by using an Allen key. So this portion is the same as securing the nuts. You need to make sure that you are securing the two nuts very tightly with the Allen key. Let's straighten the handlebar. Loosen the lever, make sure it's loose. Now use two hands to lift up. Release your left hand and straighten up the handle. You'll hear a click sound. Now you can see the handle is straightened. If you want to fold the scooter, just reverse the entire process. Similarly, straighten it up and lower the handlebar until a click sound. Let's learn to adjust the height of the handlebar. First, loosen the lever. Then grab onto the handle and pull out. You can see the spring knot coming out from the hole. This is the lowest height, and you can adjust second level. The highest will be at this level. Make sure the spring knot has come out through the hole. Once you have adjusted the height, tighten the lever. The charging port is located at the bottom of the scooter. Turn it over. And this is where the charging port is. This is a charger. The end of the charger is a DC barrier jack, and you just insert it into here. You're now ready for your first ride.